Does your child live with you?
Yes,
And how old is your child?
1.5.
All right, so why are you doing cocaine and you have a child?
It was a stupid mistake.
Well, no, these are not mistakes, these are choices. If you're drug tested today, what is it going to tell? Does your
Judge Boyd
child live
uncovers
with
the
you?
truth behind a father caught
And
with
how old
cocaine
is your
and a
child?
car that reeks of marijuana, all while raising
All
a
right, so
one-year-old
why are you
child.
doing
What starts as a
cocaine?
routine
And
plea turns
you
into a
have a
devastating
child.
lecture on parenting, responsibility, and the dangers this child faces every
Well,
single day.
now, these are
When the
not
judge asks the
mistakes, these
question
are
no parent wants to
choices.
hear,
If
why
you're
are you doing
drug
cocaine
tested
when you
today,
have a baby at home?
what is ounce?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Christopher Simkins for the defense.
And are you Mr. Martinez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and I signed the certification.
All right, court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
yes,
Did you understand it?
yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we are moving to proceed on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a PG1 less than 1 gram.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram as a class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your sentence be assessed at 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $1,500 fine, no application for deferred adjudication, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By citing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Have there been any such motion?
There have been none, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and the DOEP program. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
State, any evidence?
State offer states 1 in attachments.
No objections, Judge.
Right. Did you review the waiver and stipulations? Oh, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent. Do you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Cindy, are you ready? Yep. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask that you follow the plea bargain agreement, Judge.
All right. So who is Brandy Zavala?
My baby.
The mother of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you all live together? Does your child live with you?
Yes,
And how old is your child?
1 and a half.
All right, so why are you doing cocaine and you have a child?
It was a stupid mistake.
Well, no, these are not mistakes, these are choices. If you're drug tested today, what is it gonna tell me? That's an odd turn of phrase. What will it be?
Just probably like drink. I was drinking last night beer.
Mhm. Why would you do that knowing you have court?
Well, I didn't know I had court.
So how often were you using cocaine? So you just have cocaine in your car? So if you were not using it, then what? The mother or child was? Then why was it in the vehicle?
I made a mistake.
What, okay, since you want to use the word mistake, what was the mistake?
Of having it in my car, having someone in my car with it.
Well, no, according to this, there's an odor of marijuana in the vehicle. Does your child ride in that vehicle? So you have a separate vehicle for your child to ride in, one that does not smell of marijuana. All right. And then there's cocaine in the vehicle. So it says that the other user of this vehicle is Brandy Zavala. So who else are you allowing in the vehicle? Okay, yeah. All right, so one, I don't think you're going to be able to successfully complete probation. So if you want, I'll sentence you to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. But if you do want probation, I can tell you what's going to end up happening. Probation is going to be coming to your house on a regular basis, checking, because obviously Child Protective Services is not involved in your life and they should be. So how many children are in the household other than this 1-year-old who can't protect themselves and tell their parents, please, you stink, you smell of marijuana?
Just my, just my son.
And who else helps you all with the child?
Take care.
All right, and where do you work?
Barbara.
All right, and does she work?
Yes, ma'am.
What does she do?
Telemarketing.
All right, and does she smoke marijuana? So why would she be with you? All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 2 years. Do not come for me asking for early removal because it's not going to happen. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. Probation, I'm going to want random monthly field visits until further notice. And please have someone check on the child. Yes. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, parenting classes, once that's completed, 100 hours can be deducted of the community service restitution. I'm going to order the MRT. Once that's completed, the remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow recommendations. And I'm going to want 30 sober support meetings in 30 days. Probation, is there anything else? Yes. Is there anything else you need from the court? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, Because I followed your plea bargaining agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you bring a child into this world, the child doesn't get a chance to, at least I don't think the child gets a chance to say, you know what? I don't want those two people to do my parents. They don't have their life together. Give me the parents who have a stable employment, stable housing, not going to be surrounding me with the smell of marijuana. They don't get to choose, right? So you have a child, that child cannot fend for himself, 100% dependent upon you. And I guarantee you that the daycare can smell that your child smells like marijuana. And if they smell that your child smells like marijuana and they haven't called Child Protective Services or anything else, that's not a good daycare center, because that daycare center should be looking out for your child. And when children are that age, their brains are forming.
Yes, ma'am.
So would you give a child a marijuana cigarette to smoke? Well, why not? Right? When you smoke and your vehicle smell like marijuana and your clothes smell like marijuana, you might as well be giving that child a marijuana cigarette to smoke. So you need to get your life together. If you do not, what's going to end up happening is you're looking at being at the Bexar County Jail for a year, right? Or either going to prison because you're possessing drugs. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Justice in Action for more real courtroom moments and legal insights.